Hello fellow dog heroes, Malika and I are here to give you some tips to get ready for our live Zoom coaching class on at-home massage therapy and manual therapy so that you can help your dog feel better and have less pain, and worst case scenario, they're just going to feel relaxed and feel amazing. So a couple of things that I want to give you a heads up to prep for this. I would really appreciate if you would humor me in hanging on to a nickel. Hang on to it for the whole day at least. So that's Tuesday, and that's in 2 days. So just find a nickel and just kind of get a feel for the weight. It's not very much. And stick it in your pocket. So that's number one. Get familiar with the nickel. Make sure your dog has kind of done their day and that they're not bursting with energy, because your dog can't relax if they're bursting with energy. And a couple of aids to help us out, and Malika's already digging into one. This is a mug with canned pumpkin smeared on the inside and put in the freezer. And so oftentimes this will occupy your dog. You may know they don't like pumpkin. Obviously that's not for you. I don't encourage you to put peanut butter in there because it's a lot of calories, a lot of sugar, and lots of fats that are not good for them. Almond butter if you feel really like you need to do something. And then this other thing is called a snuffle mat. And I just got it on Amazon for $20. Don't buy an expensive snuffle mat. It's got all these fingers of fabric, and I just put some dehydrated raw kibble in it, but you can put any kind of kibble or anything your dog is accustomed to eating that's kind of firm and won't make a mushy mess. And I will show you one more trick. If you don't have a snuffle mat, I'm just taking a hand towel, and then, so just a hand towel, and then I'm going to take these dehydrated raw snacks because they're really healthy for the dog and have no unhealthy compounds in them. And then I'm going to take it like I'm making pastry. I'm going to put a couple in, I'm going to roll it, I'm going to put a couple in, roll it, put a couple in. And so voila, I've made my own snuffle mat or snuffle towel, and it's all about your dog being attracted to it. And then you know, just kind of pick a spot that they're comfortable, not a doorway where people are walking in and out. We just have a towel down on this really good mat, and she's diving into her pumpkin. She's kind of learned the gig. So I'm so looking forward to being with you on Tuesday for our body work at home class. I have lots of other recordings as well, but I'm going to be interacting with you. I'm going to be kind of coaching you, like, oh, change your body position. You know, I'm really comfortable sitting like this, but whatever is comfortable for you. If sitting on the couch with your dog next to you is more comfortable for you, then do that. Bye for now. See you soon.